Hi everyone and welcome to another video with me, Michael Tierney. Today we're going to have a look at the quickest and easiest way how to use the Roto Brush Tool in Adobe After Effects. These videos are designed to be the most efficient way for people with basic working knowledge of After Effects to learn new skills. If you're completely new to After Effects, then you can check out my Fundamentals of Animation course in the link below. So let's get started. First, right click, Import, File. We'll select our video and click Import. We'll then drag the video clip into the new composition. We'll then select our type tool and type easy because this tutorial is. Scale this up. And then we'll select our video, Control and D or Command and D if you're on a Mac, and move it to the top. And we'll double click this. Now that we're in this layer, we'll select our Roto Brush tool up here. And then select the subject. We'll then zoom in. And just add more detail on there. And if your selection goes over like this, just hold Alt and your brush will go red, and then you can click like this. Also, to change the size of the brush, hold Control, left click and scroll up or down. Now we want to add a bit of detail into the hair, so we can go up here and select Refine Edge tool. And there we are. I'm now going to change the quality to best. This will take longer to calculate depending on your computer. Once you've done that, just press spacebar and wait for it to load. Once the calculation's finished, we'll just go back to the composition. And there we are, the quickest and easiest way how to use the Roto Brush in Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching.